family, and we have the most talented dogs in America.
The judges, I think, are ready for us. You guys ready for the judges?
The dogs are so excited to be here. They love the attention.
Gina! Oh, what's your coffee? She loves coffee.
These dogs, they are true professionals. They are true professionals.
What is happening? Oh my God!
You guys smell something?
I smell it. Hi, puppy. I like. Oh, it's wet. This one is the one I peed, I think. Sugar, where are you?
Sugar.
Come on, national. What? Oh, hey, puppy.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
These dogs are my best friends. I love them so much.
Tonight, we're here because we want to show our dogs' talent to the whole world. Hello, hello.
Hi.
Hello, welcome. And who are you guys?
We are Pompeyo family. My name is Natalia, our daughter Katarina, and my husband George
Okay, and where you all from?
from Sarasota, Florida.
And I presume this is going to be a dog act?
Yes.
They look like little lions, don't they?
No.
And how many doggies live at home with you?
We have 18 dogs altogether.
No, you don't.
18 dogs in the house?
And most of them come from shelters.
Okay.
Ah, that's good.
We love our dogs like our kids, and it's just part of our life.
And what's the big dream?
We won our own show in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Okay, well, listen, I can't wait to see this. Good luck.
Thank you.
I do look like lions.